Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we share the best tips and tricks to make your life easier and more fun. Have you ever looked down at your once shiny white shoes and sighed at their current state? It's a common problem, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Well, I've got a quick and easy hack to get them looking brand new again using something you already have at home: toothpaste. Yes, you heard that right. The same thing you use to clean your teeth can work wonders on your shoes. Yep, you heard that right. Toothpaste isn't just for your teeth. It's a versatile cleaning agent that can tackle a variety of stains. So, let's jump right in and make those shoes sparkle. Trust me, you'll be amazed at the results. First, let's gather our materials. It's always best to have everything you need within arm's reach before you start. You'll need a tube of non-gel toothpaste, an old toothbrush, a clean cloth, and some water. These simple items are all you need to bring your shoes back to life. Simple enough, right? Alright, here's the first step. Let's get those shoes prepped for cleaning. Alright, here's the first step. Start by removing the laces from your shoes. This will make it easier to clean every part of the shoe, especially those hard-to-reach areas. This will give you better access to all those nooks and crannies. Trust me, it's worth the extra effort. Now take your trusty old toothbrush and apply a good amount of non-gel toothpaste to it. The non-gel kind is crucial because it won't stain your shoes. Remember, non-gel toothpaste is key here to avoid any staining. Next, get scrubbing. This is where the magic happens. Use the toothbrush to scrub the toothpaste into all the dirty areas of your shoes. Be gentle but thorough. You want to make sure you're lifting all that grime without damaging the material. Pay special attention to the soles and any stubborn stains. These areas tend to accumulate the most dirt and can be the trickiest to clean. You'll start to see the dirt lifting almost immediately. It's incredibly satisfying to watch the transformation. It's pretty satisfying, isn't it? Seeing your shoes go from grimy to gleaming is a great feeling. Now, once you've given your shoes a good scrub, let the toothpaste sit on them for about 10 minutes. This allows the toothpaste to break down any remaining dirt and stains. This will give it time to work its magic and break down any remaining dirt. Patience is key here for the best results. After that, it's time to rinse. This step is crucial to ensure all the toothpaste and loosened dirt are removed. Dampen your clean cloth with water and gently wipe away the toothpaste. Make sure to be thorough so no residue is left behind. Make sure you get all of it off to avoid any residue. And voila! Your shoes should already be looking a lot cleaner. Your shoes should already be looking a lot cleaner. But we're not done just yet. There's one more step to ensure they look their absolute best. But we're not done just yet. For the final touch, wipe your shoes down with a dry cloth to remove any excess moisture. For the final touch, wipe your shoes down with a dry cloth to remove any excess moisture. This will help them dry faster and prevent any water spots. Then, let them air dry completely before putting the laces back on. It's important to let them dry naturally to avoid any damage. And there you have it, sparkling white shoes that look as good as new. It's amazing what a little toothpaste can do. Sparkling white shoes that look as good as new. So, next time your white shoes are looking a bit worse for wear, remember this simple toothpaste hack. So, next time your white shoes are looking a bit worse for wear, remember this simple toothpaste hack. It's quick, easy, and super effective. It's quick, easy, and super effective. Plus, it's a great way to save money and keep your kicks looking fresh. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY cleaning hacks. Until next time, keep those shoes sparkling. Happy cleaning, everyone.